Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a unicorn nail. Not just any unicorn nail, we're going to do a unicorn nail with gel polish. Did you know you can do it with gel polish too? So for all you natural nail lovers, this one is for you. Today, I'm going to be doing it on a tip. I've got a clear tip. You don't need to use a clear tip. You can use whatever tip you want to. You can do it on a nail extension. You can do it on a natural nail if you are fortunate to have long nails or your client has nice long nails. You would obviously file it into a stiletto shape. So here's the tip. There's a lovely bit of blue tack. We all love a bit of blue tack. You know, around my house, I found lots of blue tack because my kids just love playing with blue tack. So I've got a plain tip. I'm just going to clean it because I have been touching it with my hands. I don't want to get any grease on it or anything like that. So I'm just going to wipe over with some isopropyl alcohol. If you were doing this on a natural nail, all you would do is prep the nail. So you would remove the surface shine. I tell you what, I'm going to do that now just so you can see this tip a little bit clearer. So what I'm going to do is just buff over. It's got a soft buffer. I'm just removing the surface shine. I'll give that a clean. I'm good to go. You can probably see that a little bit better now. What I'm using today is well gel. Alkazia's well gel. And everybody will be well gel of this nail when they see it. I'm going to use these colours today. Now this is a one-step system, which means you do not need no base coat or no top coat. How amazing is that? You save time, you save money on products as well, because there's a lot of companies out there that do a three-step system, which I love as well. Every system has its advantage, but the advantage of this one is it doesn't require a base coat or top coat, so you haven't got to shell out money for a base coat and top coat. You just use the product colour and that is it. The base colour that I'm going to use today is this one, which is called Kiss and Tell. Have you ever had anybody kiss and tell on you, Adam?
Well, that would be telling, wouldn't it?
So we're going to do 2 coats of this colour. And I'm going to turn my phone on silent. And I'm going to put that into the lamp and cure that for 30 seconds. And now we're going to do the second coat. And obviously when you put 2 coats on, you're going to get the true colour. Now don't forget, this is just a background colour, this is. And I'm going to pop that into the lamp. 30 seconds again. So that's the base. Oh, look at that. No sticky layer. Nothing. Done. Shiny. So if that's the colour you wanted, that will be it. You'd be done. Obviously we're not just going to finish there, are we? We need to carry on. Now I've just got some backing paper from the sculpting form here, because I'm going to put my gel onto that. So first of all, I'm going to start at the tip, and I'm going to use this pink. So I'm going to take a bit of that out. I'm putting it on the palette because I need to be really controlled while I do this. So what you need is a brush that's about between 1 centimetre and 1.5 centimetres long, and that will go quite thin. Not super thin because you're not painting the face or anything like that. And this colour is called Be Mine. Now this is a ceramic formula. This product is. I'm going to go at the tip. We're going to do our first raised section of the unicorn horn. I'm going to do 2 of those. Do not let them touch. If they touch, they will bleed into each other. Pop that into the lamp. 30 seconds. The next colour I'm going to use is That's So Mint. Can you guess what colour it is? So I'm going to do the same again. Still making sure that they don't touch as well. And you're going to wave the product up. And if you run out of product, you're just going to pop a bit more on the end of your brush and then tickle that on top of the product you've already put on. I'm going to do another one. So this is great for people that don't use acrylic and don't want to, well, we can't do an acrylic version of this, or don't want to. I think this is a lot quicker as well than doing it in acrylic. And I'm going to pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. I'm going to clean my brush each time on a lint-free pad that's got some isopropyl alcohol on it, or any kind of cleanser. Obviously not a facial cleanser, because that'd just be weird. A nail cleanser I'm talking about. And then I'm going to use a grey. This is called Stonehenge. So same again, keeping it separated. You've got to keep that gap between each one. So you'll notice I kind of put the first one on and then I go back in with more product to thicken the line off. But that first stroke that I put on actually gives me a good guide of where I'm going to go. Pop that into the lamp. The next colour I'm going to move on to is Lavender Morning.
Lavender Morning.
Lavender Morning. Lavender Morning. Lavender Morning. So this is a nice lavender colour. So you can see I'm just tickling over the top. I'm not pressing into the actual gel. A little bit neater there. I'm going to cure that one before I do the next one. Because I've cured the first one of the lavender colours, I can go in and I can actually neaten this one. And then we've got Circus. Oh, it reminds me of Vegas. Have you ever stayed in Circus in Vegas? What a shithole.
Not very nice, is it?
No. Do you know what? It served a purpose. It was a bed for the night. It wasn't fabulous. But if you want to do Vegas on the cheap, stay at Circus.
I thought Stratosphere was the cheap one.
Oh, it's cheap as well, Stratosphere is, yeah, but I've not had the misfortune of ever staying there.
I booked once, but never went.
Oh dear.
It's for a wedding that didn't happen.
Oh dear. This is the very last one. I'm just going to go over this one a little bit. I think I did it a bit too thin. And cure that. What I'm going to do now, you can leave it like that, but I'm going to make it a little bit more 3D. And all I'm going to do is go over what I've already done. So I'm going to go over what we've just done. Just make it a little bit more raised. I mean, it looks nice like it is, but you can make it even more raised if you want to. Quite simple to just go back over what you've done. So we're all cured now, and look, there is no sticky layer whatsoever, all done. So you can leave it like that, but we're not going to, because yes, it looks very pretty like that, but I want to make it a real unicorn, you know, because real unicorns have holographic horns.
Absolutely, because real unicorns are a thing.
Yeah, well, yeah, a thing. So to make this holographic, what we're going to use is Mirror Chrome. This is from Wild Gel as well, and in this little kit, this is what you get. So you've got top and base, which is basically, this can be used as a top and a base. which is pretty cool because you haven't got to have 2 bottles of things. And then we've got the, just look at that. Sorry. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to go over this because I don't know if it'll stick straight to it. Shall I try?
Well, it's got top coat in it, hasn't it? So
Shall we try? I'll try. I don't know if this will work, so, well, you know.
if it doesn't, you can just top
We're
coat.
testing it out, so we might as well just have a bit of a play. So let's pick some up and yeah. I'll try it with my finger. A little bit. It's doing it a little bit. Let me just dust the excess off. No. So we're going to use the product that actually comes with it. I'll give it a go. So we're going to top coat this. You need to make sure that you don't flood those grooves because else you're going to lose the effect. I'm wiping through the grooves to take off any of the excess may have fell into those grooves. We want it groovy, baby. Let's pop that into the lamp, 30 seconds. Let's make this hollow. Oh yes, baby, look at that. Oh yes. Oh, let the magic happen. Look at that. Oh, just love it. I don't think I've quite caught the end of that. I think we might have to put some more on the end. So I'm just rubbing it in, burnishing to make it really smooth. The more you rub it, the smoother the effect and the better the effect overall. Just going to dust off any excess, and you can see right at the tip here, I haven't quite put enough of the top and base on. We all make mistakes, do not judge me. I'm going to put a smidge on there. I'm going to cure that. I'm just going to rub that into the places that I might have missed. Oh, that's covered really nice. Let's get rid of the excess. Look at that, it's beautiful, if I do say so myself. And obviously we need to seal this in now, and we're going to use the same product that comes with the little kit. So you can see that you get 2 kind of effects here. So you could have just left it like it was before, and that would have been a pastel version of the unicorn horn. And popping the holographic chrome on, that gives you another effect. You can basically see the colours softly through the holographic, which gives it a whole new look. And cure that. You can just do this in one colour. I just wanted to change it up a bit and show you something a little bit different. You could just do it in black and use the black for everything, the black for the base and the black for those horn lines, those sort of swirl lines, and you get the same effect, apart from you wouldn't see that slight gradient going through. So when we pull this out of the lamp, what you'll see is a very subtle change in the colour from the tip to the cuticle area. So you can see here, you can still see that pink going to the green. The grey, yes, you can't see that as much, but then you can see this darker purple at the top shining through ever so slightly, and it just gives a totally different look. Like I say, you can do it all in black, put the chrome on, and then you just have a full holographic nail. Or you can do totally different colours. What about the neon colours underneath? That'll give it a whole new look as well. So I have the horn. I just need the rest of the unicorn. I should just stick it on a horse. I think the kids
There's
have got...
cows in the field.
Oh, what, a unicow.
A unicow.
A unicow. I did do a uni bunny once.
Oh, is that with the carrot?
That was the carrot. The carrot was the horn. It was the whole new take on a bunny and a unicorn squished together that have been mating.
Very,
somewhere.
very, very strange Easter.
That's very strange, yeah. there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's helped you in some way. I hope you've been entertained. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Check us out on social media, on that World Wide Web that we all love and are addicted to. And I'll see you in the next video.